Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the KLWP app and tap the menu to reveal Load Preset. You will see categories, downloaded themes, and local files. Grant storage permission when prompted so KLWP can access one theme file. Browse to the package or single file you downloaded. Tap a preset preview to open it for editing and review. Press Apply to set the theme to your home screen and launcher. Return to your launcher to confirm the wallpaper and widget are visible and active. Open the loaded preset and tap Globals to edit colors, fonts, and numbers. Change one value and see updates across the entire theme instantly. Navigate to Layers to inspect group structure and 3 hierarchy levels of elements. Select an element to edit its position using X and Y offsets, rotation, and scale values. Replace images by selecting an image layer and choosing a local file or URI. Save changes, often using the disk icon, to preserve your edits locally. To add interactivity, select an object and open the Touch tab to assign actions. Choose Launch App, Toggle Pop-up, or Send Intent for specific behavior on tap. Configure a shortcut or set a global toggle to change screens or wallpapers. Test your taps directly on the home screen to verify interactions and timing. When finished, use Export to save the preset as a single KLWP file for backup or distribution. Share the KLWP file or import it on another device to replicate your setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.